Google Photos is the cloud service most people don't realize they're paying for in privacy. Every photo you've ever taken, indexed by face, location, object, and date, sitting on someone else's servers, minimal for ad targeting and AI training. Immich is the open-source alternative that's about to cross 100,000 stars on GitHub. Native iOS and Android apps that auto-backup your camera roll. Machine learning search that finds photos by face, object, or natural language description. Timeline view, albums, shared albums, map view of geotagged shots, partner sharing. AGPL 3 licensed, NestJS SvelteKit Flutter, 296 releases since 2022. Version 2.7.5 just shipped 2 weeks ago. This is Immich by the Immich App Organization, open source on GitHub since February 2022, 4 years of relentless development, 98,758 stars, 5,496 forks, 696 open issues, which is what active development on a 100,000 star project looks like. Stack is NestJS for the API, SvelteKit for the web UI, Flutter for the iOS and Android apps, and a Python machine learning service for the search and face clustering work. Postgres for metadata, Redis for queues, plus a transcoding pipeline that handles raw formats, HEIC, live photos, and any video codec FFmpeg knows about. And the ML layer is what makes it actually feel like Google Photos. The machine learning service runs clip embeddings on every photo you import, which means you can search your library with natural language. Type sunset over mountains, you get every sunset over mountains in your library, even photos you never tagged. Facial recognition runs in the background and clusters faces. Over time, every photo of your kid is grouped, every photo of your friend, every photo of yourself. Object detection identifies things, cars, dogs, beaches, plus the boring but essential stuff. Albums, shared albums you give to relatives. Partner sharing where your spouse sees their photos in your library. Timeline view that mirrors Google Photos exactly. Map view that pins every geotagged photo. External library support if you've already got terabytes in a folder somewhere. Point Immich at it, no reimport. Setup is one shell script. The Immich team ships an install one-liner that pulls the Docker compose file, configures the NVVARs, and brings up the whole stack. Server, ML service, Postgres, Redis, transcoding worker. Defaults to port 2283. Open the web UI, create your admin account, and start uploading. Hardware transcoding is on by default if you've got NVIDIA, Intel QuickSync, or AMD VAPI on the host. Drops video re-encode cost from minutes per clip to seconds. Mobile apps from the App Store and Play Store, sign in with the URL of your instance, enable auto backup, and your camera roll starts replicating to your hardware in the background. The mobile apps are the part most Google Photos competitors usually botch. Immich's apps are Flutter, native, and ship with the features that actually matter for replacing iCloud or Google. Auto backup of new photos in the background, with bandwidth and battery controls so it doesn't kill your phone. Selective album backup if you don't want every screenshot synced. Offline support, viewing your library doesn't require connectivity to the server, only syncing does. Background uploads that survive being killed. The reason most self-hosted photo tools fail isn't the server, it's that the mobile experience is bad enough that people stop trusting it with the actual camera roll. Immich got that part right. Why the ML pipeline matters. Clip, contrastive language image pre-training, is the same family of model OpenAI built for tying images to text. The Immich team runs it locally on your photos, generating embeddings stored in Postgres. Search a phrase, the query gets embedded the same way, and the database returns photos whose embeddings are nearest. That's how natural language search works without sending your photos to anyone. Face clustering uses a separate pipeline. Face detection plus an embedding model, plus a clustering algorithm that groups embeddings that look like the same person. All of that runs in the machine learning container, optionally accelerated by your GPU. None of it leaves your network. None of it trains anyone else's model. Go to immich.app, run the install script, install the mobile app, point it at your server. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the projects that actually slap.